Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite you were removed from the match due to your VPN or IP or cheating. Let's fix it guys. The first solution, you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Select yes. Now you just need to copy and paste this registry path. After pasting it, press enter. You just need to right click on the identifiers folder and select delete it guys. Select yes. After deleting it, just close it off here. And you just need to go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video, copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select reset now and select yes, and you just need to restart your PC guys. After doing this, after restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.